Imagine having the power to turn your passion into profit, to bring that brilliant startup idea to life without a bank loan or investor pitch. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, in 2025, that dream can become your reality through crowdfunding. Welcome, future entrepreneurs. In the next few minutes, we're diving into the exciting world of crowdfunding for beginners. Whether you're a visionary inventor or a budding app developer, stick around to uncover the tips, tricks, and trends that will empower you to raise the funds you need to elevate your startup without sacrificing equity. Ready? Let's get started. What exactly is crowdfunding? It's like a virtual funding party where hundreds, sometimes thousands of people contribute small amounts of money to help you reach your goal. In 2023, crowdfunding platforms collectively raised nearly $300 billion globally. Yes, you heard that right. By 2025, this number is expected to soar as more people recognize the power of community funding. You'll hear about four main types: rewards-based, equity-based, debt-based, and donation-based. Each offers unique avenues for startups to thrive. By the end of this segment, you'll see which fits your startup vision like a glove. Ready to find your model? First up, rewards-based crowdfunding. This is where you offer backers cool products and experiences in exchange for their support. Take Pebble, for example. They raised over $10 million on Kickstarter, leading to the design of their groundbreaking smartwatches. Talk about turning backers into customers. Now, what about equity-based crowdfunding? Here, investors get a piece of your startup. Platforms like Seed Invest democratize investment, making it accessible for anyone. Need a real success story? Look at Brewdog, the Scottish craft brewery. They've raised significant funds through community shares, enabling fans to invest while fostering a dedicated customer base. And let's not forget about debt-based crowdfunding, where you find individual lenders instead of going through banks. Platforms like Funding Circle open new doors for businesses. Lastly, donation-based crowdfunding is perfect for social causes. Remember the viral fundraising campaign for the charity Water Project? They raised millions to provide clean drinking water worldwide. Each model offers unique pathways for funding, so choose wisely. Let's peek into the future. 2025. What's trending? Decentralization. Upcoming platforms will rely less on centralized systems, giving more control to you, the creator. Think DAO. Decentralized autonomous organizations where your backers can influence decisions. Innovative AI tools will also be your best friends, predicting campaign success by analyzing data from past campaigns. And get this, a rise in micro-campaigns. Start small, validate your idea, test the waters, and then scale up. This is your ticket to lean startup success. Remember, by adapting to these trends, you're not just raising funds, you're establishing an ecosystem of support for your startup. Now, let's build your campaign. Picture this: an engaging narrative that captures hearts. A strong story is your secret sauce. Why does your startup exist? What problem does it solve? Add stellar visuals, professional videos, and crisply defined goals. Successful examples, like The Coolest Cooler, which raised $13 million on Kickstarter, show how compelling storytelling can translate to funds. But wait, don't underestimate the power of branding consistency. Your campaign should reflect your overall vision, just like the way Lume Deodorant built a loyal following through consistent messaging and engagement. And timing. Strategic timing is everything. Launch on a Monday after a round of pre-launch hype, and bingo! You'll have a boost of early backers right off the bat. Get ready to hit that launch button and watch your dream unfold. Next up, marketing magic. Traditional methods won't cut it in 2025. Let's think outside the box. Consider integrating NFTs in your campaign as exclusive digital rewards for tech-savvy backers, or creating a community around your project weeks before launch. Engage them with polls and discussions to build excitement. And listen to this, gamifying your campaign can vibrantly boost interaction. The campaign for the board game Exploding Kittens included tiered rewards that made backers feel like they were part of the game's evolution. These strategies not only make your campaign more enticing, but also foster loyal backers who believe in your vision. Remember, your campaign is not just about asking for money, it's about creating connections. Now, here's where we get into the juicy, often overlooked insights. Did you know that many beginners forget about community building before the campaign? Begin fostering connections long before launch, creating a buzz that draws in your target audience. So many successful projects, like the Little Passport series, launched with engaged audiences already eager to back them. And don't overlook your tech setup. Ensure everything runs smoothly on launch day to avoid rookie mistakes. The takeaway? Proactive planning and technical preparation can make or break your campaign. By establishing this foundation, you'll build credibility. And who doesn't love a credible startup? Spam authorization. So there you have it. Crowdfunding in 2025 is no longer just a money-raising initiative. It's a strategy for building communities, validating ideas, and setting your startup on a path to success. Remember, knowledge is power, and now you're armed with the insights you need. Embrace the trends, adapt your strategies, and let your entrepreneurial spirit soar. Ready to take the plunge into crowdfunding?